There are plenty of options when it comes to visiting Stevenson. During a campus visit, you'll have the opportunity to tour our campus, learn about academic programs, meet current students and professors, and experience firsthand what being a Mustang is all about. Our daily visits allow you to learn about Stevenson's mission, academic programs, and admissions process at an interactive information session. This 2-hour campus visit and tour of the Owings Mills campus starts at 10 a.m. Monday through Friday and most Saturdays, or a shorter campus tour at 1 p.m. is offered Monday through Friday. We also offer custom visits that allow you to experience Stevenson in a unique way. Attend a class, meet with a professor in your desired major, eat lunch with current students, and have a chance to tour the campus. Custom visits are open to all senior students and are offered Monday through Thursday. If you are interested in transferring to Stevenson, we encourage you to come to one of our Transfer Tuesdays. During this special visit, you can expect to meet with a transfer counselor, take a tour of our Owings Mills campus, and learn more about the process of transferring to Stevenson. To get a holistic experience of Stevenson University, we welcome you to join us for an undergraduate open house. During these events, you will tour campus, learn about academic programs, and experience all that campus life has to offer our students. To learn more about our visit options and schedule your visit today, go to stevenson.edu/visit.